guys, this is Aayush Bajaj. Some of you know me for financial modeling and valuations. Some of you for CPA and ACCA. Don't worry, this is not another concept video of mine, but here I wanted to talk to you about something. I am receiving a lot of messages from my dear students as well as from my fellow professionals. Examples: what career stream should I choose? Is ACCA better than CPA, or is CPA better than some of the qualifications? Which course will suit my requirements and the career path that I have forecasted for myself? Should I change my career stream? If I'm a working professional, should I change my line from, let's say, audit to corporate finance? How easy it is or how difficult it is? Do you basically how you deal with office politics? How do you become a better organizer? All such kinds of questions that I have been receiving on a constant basis. So we thought to come up with a very interesting concept. The name that you just saw on your screens right now, Career Runway. So this will be a series of videos from my end to you, which will be taking one topic or one message per week and we'll be discussing on that. Why this Career Runway as a separate line of series? Because we want to make it free of cost. We want that people at large should be benefiting from this. So before we take on the first concept in the coming week, I want you to do three things: like, subscribe and share. Also, do comment below if you want us to take any topic that you have in mind. We'll surely take that up. Look forward to seeing you all in my upcoming video. Thank you and stay safe.